If you forgot your charger or just to save battery, if you want to know how to turn on or enable power saving mode and also how you can disable and turn it off, I'll let you know how to do that on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. For that, open settings from anywhere on your watch. Scroll down and then go to battery and device care. Tap on battery and here just turn on or toggle on power saving mode. For better visibility, you can also open your Samsung Wearable App on your phone. From the app, go to watch settings, scroll down, go to battery and device care, and then just tap on battery. Now before turning on power saving mode, tap on it and you can just go ahead check out the functions that will be disabled, including Wi-Fi, location, always on display if your watch is on power saving mode. If that's absolutely okay with you, just go ahead turn it on. It will be applied to your watch. Now there is also a shortcut that you can turn on and off power saving mode anytime you want, and that is slide down, open quick action panel on your watch, swipe left, and just tap on this battery icon. Your watch will be on power saving mode. Whenever you want to turn it off, just go ahead tap on it. So that's how easily you can turn on and off power saving mode on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching.